let's see how this is. Alright, this is the tower view. So we'll see how my landing was. No, I haven't flown this aircraft in 2 to 3 months, maybe. Yeah, 2 to 3 months. So this is my first time flying it in 2 to 3 months, and look at this. Awesome landing. First thrust and spoilers are up. Well, that's it. Hope you enjoy it.